In worksheet 1, you must say to me about your doubt. I will solve that question. If you have any doubt, have you any doubt? Hello? Have any doubt in any question of worksheet 1? Linear equation in one variable. Have any doubt in it? Have any doubt in any question?
सर आपका बोर्ड हल्का ब्लर आ रहा है।
किसी बच्चे को वर्कशीट 1 के किसी भी क्वेश्चन में कोई डाउट्स है?
नो सर।
ठीक है, वर्कशीट 2 स्टार्ट करने जा रहे हैं। दैट इज कॉल्ड एप्लीकेशन ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशंस। In application of linear equations, we have to solve the questions related with linear equation in one variable. Worksheet 2. In worksheet 2, you have to solve the following. Question number 1. Application of linear equation में questions linear equation in one variable पर ही बेस्ड आता है. You have to solve the given question with the help of linear equation in one variable. At first you have to see or read the statement carefully. According to the given statement of the question, we have to follow the right steps to solve the questions properly. Your worksheet 2, question number 1. We have the percentages of A and B are in a ratio 7:5. 10 years later, their ages will be in the ratio 9:7. Find their percentages. A ratio is being represented as in terms of either X or Y. Let percentages of A and B, the percentage of age of A and B be 7x and 5x respectively. Then according to question, we have 7x plus 10 divided by 5x plus 10 is equal to 9/7. This is very remarkable thing. In case of hence or after, we have to add, as well as in case of before, you have to subtract the required number.
सर आपका बोर्ड ब्लर आ रहा है।
हमको तो ठीक दिख रहा है, बोर्ड क्लियर है, आप अपना देखिए। Your question number 1 is this. Let the percentages of A and B be 7x and 5x respectively. Then according to question, after 10 years, after या hence में प्लस होता है, तो यहाँ 7x plus 10 कर दिया, divided by 5x plus 10, your ratio become equal to 9:7, means 9/7. Or by cross multiplication, 7 into 7x plus 10 is equal to 9 into 5x plus 10. और 49x plus 70 is equal to 45x plus 90 और 49x minus 45x is equal to 90 minus 70 और 4x is equal to 20. Therefore, x is equal to 5. Hence, percentage of a, यहाँ लिख देते हैं hence the percentage of a is equal to 7x. This must be equal to 7 into 5, 35. Yes. And percentage of B, percentage of A, percentage of B is equal to 5x. This is equal to 5 into 5 is equal to 25 years. It is your answer. Percentage of A is equal to 35 years as well as percentage of B is equal to 25 years. Have any doubt in it? सारे बच्चे इसको नोट करेंगे. After that, if you have any doubt in worksheet 2, you must share to me about your doubt. If you have any doubt in worksheet 2, you must share to me about your doubt. सारे बच्चे नोट कर लिए. Have any doubt in it? सारे बच्चे इस क्वेश्चन को नोट कर लिए. हेलो, हेलो, हेलो.
हाँ सर.
किसी बच्चे को कोई डाउट है इसमें? After one, if you have any doubt in any question, you must share to me about your doubts. Already I have solved question number 1. After question number 1, if you have any doubt in any question, you must share to me about your doubt. I will solve that question. Have any doubt in any question?
No sir, no doubt in any question.
वर्कशीट 2 के किसी भी क्वेश्चन में कोई डाउट्स नहीं है? किसी बच्चों को नहीं? किसी बच्चों को नहीं है? मैं जानना चाह रहा हूं कि किसी बच्चे को वर्कशीट 2 के किसी क्वेश्चन में कोई डाउट्स नहीं है? हेलो, वर्कशीट 2 में कहीं कुछ डाउट्स है या आगे बढ़े? मीनल बहुत अच्छी लड़की है। कहीं कुछ डाउट्स है बेटा? देखिए तो मीनल, हैव एनी डाउट ऑफ वर्कशीट 2? Can you solve each and every question of worksheet 2 of the chapter linear equation in one variable? Hello?
Yes, sir.
सारे बच्चे लीनियर इक्वेशन इन वन वेरिएबल वर्कशीट 2 का सारा क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर लेंगे या किसी क्वेश्चन में कोई डाउट्स है? हैव एनी डाउट इन एनी क्वेश्चन ऑफ वर्कशीट 2?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
After that, okay. After that, there are questions of following. First one is value based question. Second one is brain teasers as well as hearts. Have any doubt in these three different sectors? इस तीनों में कहीं किसी बच्चे को कोई डाउट्स है?
Sir, second number.
किसका सेकेंड? कौन सा सेकेंड?
First का.
ब्रेन टीजर्स या वैल्यू बेस्ड क्वेश्चन? हेलो, हेलो,
Yes, sir.
कौन सा क्वेश्चन है बेटा? व्हाट इज योर क्वेश्चन? वैल्यू बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस और ब्रेन टीजर्स? What is your question number? Hello?
Sir, BT का.
BT का 1 का 2? Yes. A number 351 is divided into two parts in the ratio 2:7. The product of the number is this. BT का 1 का B, 1 A and B, यही है ना? We have a number 351 is divided into two parts in the ratio 2:7. The product of the number is what? Let first part of the number be x, then second part become equal to 351 minus x. According to question, the product of the number, a number 351 is divided into two parts in the ratio 2:7. The product of the, according to question, we have x by 351 minus x equal to 2 by 7, or by cross multiplication 7x equal to 2, 351 minus x, or 7x is equal to 702 minus 2x, or 7x plus 2x is equal to 702, or 9x is equal to 702, x is equal to 9 7 is 63, 7
सर
72,
बोर्ड पे हल्का ज्यादा आ रहा है लाइट.
x is equal to 78. क्या बोला बेटा?
सर हल्का बोर्ड लाइट पे ज्यादा आ रहा है ऊपर साइड.
अच्छा, उसको देखते हैं.
ये सर अब सही है.
ठीक है. x is equal to 78. Hence, the product of the number is this. First number is equal to 78. Hence, second number is equal to 351 minus 78. 11 minus 8, 3. 14 minus 7, 7. 273. Its product is equal to this. Its product is equal to 273 into 78. मल्टीप्लाई करके देख लीजिए. 273 into 78. 273, 78. 8 3 24. $21,294. B option is right. Answer is B. Answer is B. Option B is right. This is right option. Right option is B. Okay. सारे बच्चे नोट कर लिए.
यस सर.
Have any doubt in it?
नो सर.
सारे बच्चे को समझ में आई है ना?
यस सर.
It is given in the question that sum of two parts of the number is equal to 351. ठीक है ना? Suppose that first part of the number be x, then second part will be equal to 351 minus x. According to question, its ratio is equal to 2:7. So x by 351 minus x equal to 2/7. By cross multiplication, we have the same result. 7x is equal to 2 into 351 minus x. 7x is equal to 702 minus 2x, or 7x plus 2x equal to 702. 9x is equal to 702. X is equal to 702 by 9, that is 78. It means first part of the number is equal to 78. Hence, second one is 351 minus x, that is your 351 minus 78, that is 273. Its product is equal to 273 into 78. This will be equal to 21,294. So option B is right. A right answer will be option B. Have any doubt in it?
No, sir.
After that, if you have any doubt in any question, you must say to me about your doubt. Have you any doubt in any question of linear equation in one variable, worksheet 2, brain teaser, value based questions and HOTS? Have any doubt in it?
No, sir.
After that, have you any doubt in any questions of BT, as well as HOTS also, as well as
Sir, please solve the question number 9.
9, BT का 9.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes, BT 9. ये सॉल्व कर देना.
Yes, sir.
Yes, BT 9. Question is this: a race boat covers a distance of 60 km downstream in 1.5 hours. It covers this distance upstream in 2 hours. The speed of the race boat in still water is 35 km per hour. Find the speed of the stream. Let the speed of a stream be x km per hour, then a speed in upstream. In upstream there will be negative, in downstream there will be positive. So a speed in upstream is equal to 35 minus x km per hour, and a speed in downstream, that will be positive 35 plus x km per hour. By formula, we know that a speed equal to distance by time. Therefore, time is equal to distance by speed. Hence, according to question, we have therefore distance is equal to speed into time. In both cases, distance remains same. So in both cases, in both cases, distance remains same. So case first, distance covered by motorboat race boat. This one is your race boat. A race boat is equal to case first. A race boat covers a distance of 60 km downstream in 1 and half hour. It covers this distance 60 is equal to 60 km downstream in 1.5 hour. 60 is equal to downstream में your speed is equal to 35 plus x. 35 plus x into 1.5 hour means 3/2. Equation first. Also 60 is equal to 35 minus x into 2. Equation number 2. Since both distance remain same, so you can just equate equation number 1 and 2 respectively. Equating the equation first and second. Equating hence equating the equation समझ जाएंगे सारे बच्चे. EQN first and second. Then we have this 35 plus x into 3/2 is equal to 35 minus x into 2. Because in both cases distance remains same. So equating the equation first and second. After equating the equation first and second, we have the same result like this. 35 plus x into 3/2 is equal to 35 minus x into 2. After that, सारे बच्चे यहाँ तक नोट कर लें. इसके बाद इसको सॉल्व करने जा रहे हैं. यहाँ तक किसी बच्चे को कोई डाउट्स है? Have you any doubt at any point? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
किसी बच्चे को यहाँ तक कोई डाउट्स है?
No, sir.
अप स्ट्रीम में माइनस होता है और डाउन स्ट्रीम में प्लस. सो स्पीड इन अप स्ट्रीम इज इक्वल टू 35 माइनस एक्स. स्पीड इन डाउन स्ट्रीम इज इक्वल टू 35 प्लस एक्स. बाय फॉर्मूला यू नो दैट speed is equal to distance by time. Therefore, time is equal to distance by speed and distance is equal to speed into time. दोनों ही केस में डिस्टेंस है 60 किलोमीटर. सो 60 is equal to 35 plus x into 3/2 and 60 is equal to 35 minus x into 2. Equating the equation first and second, then you have the same result. 35 plus x into 3 by 2 is equal to 35 minus x into 2. यहाँ तक किसी बच्चे को कोई डाउट्स है? है कहीं कुछ डाउट्स? ऊपर वाले पोर्शन को रब करने जा रहे हैं, रब कर देना। ऊपर वाले पोर्शन को रब कर देना। हेलो 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 ऊपर वाले पोर्शन को रब कर दें।
Yes, sir.
After that, after equating the given equation, you have the same result. 3 into 35 plus x is equal to 2 into 2, 35 minus x. By cross multiplication, you have the same result. Or 105 plus 3x is equal to 4 into 35, 170 minus 4x. Or up estimate 2 hours and yes. Yes. $140 minus 4x